What's going on, guys? I've had a few requests in terms of, how loud is the Borla S-type in the truck exactly. It's kind of hard to get an idea just based off of a video. So I have a decibel meter today, and I'm going to do a cold start, a warm start from the interior, the exterior, and I'm also going to test, how loud it is inside the truck just driving around at given speeds and RPMs. Now, I couldn't really decide on what is the best angle for this, so I'm just going to use my phone here on a tripod on the armrest, filming the decibel reading while I'm driving, and I will also blurt out how fast I'm going and what RPM I'm at during driving as well. So as you can see, I'm just talking, and I'm in the 75 to 85 decibel range, depending on how loud I am. But I will try to shut my blower motor off if the windows don't fog up here. As you can see, we've got snow and stuff, so it's cold. I might need my defrost, but other than that, I'll shut up. We'll get on with it, and I'll let you watch this while I drive. Hopefully the camera doesn't tip over. So this is going to be a warm start. The truck was literally up to operating temp. I just shut it down. Now we're going to fire it back up. Now we'll do it again from the outside of the truck. This is low idle, about 500-600 RPM roughly. About 1.5 feet away from the exhaust tip there. Here I'll try a moderate acceleration to 50. That was actually 55, and that was probably 40 to 50% throttle. All right, I'm gonna try a dead stop full throttle to about 50 miles an hour. That was actually 60. That was like a 10-mile-an-hour roll to 60. God, figure it out. Oh no, we lost you. Come back. So this is 25 miles an hour in 5th gear at about 1200 RPM. 30 miles an hour, 6th gear at 1250 RPM. Now 6th gear at 35, 1450 RPM. Now we're doing 40, 7th gear, about 1350 RPM. This is cruise control set at 45 miles an hour. 4-cylinder actually just kicked in, so it's probably a little louder. This is 7th gear at 1500 RPM. Just kicked into 8-cylinder. I'd say right about this point, the road noise and wind noise are approximately the same as the exhaust noise. I am driving over some snow, like slush, snow, ice, so that's a little noisier than your standard pavement, but you know, such is life. We're now cruising at 50, 8th gear, approximately 1300 RPM. That was a pull to 65 from 50. 55 in 8th gear at 1500. This is idle. And this idiot just slid through the intersection. So there was about a quarter throttle acceleration up to 50. We're getting on the highway now. Fuck out of the way. Alright, this is 60 miles an hour, 8th gear, 1550 RPM. Road and wind noise exceed exhaust noise at this point. 65 miles an hour, about 1750 RPM, 8th gear. Here's 70, 8th gear. 1900 RPM. '75, 8th gear, 2000 RPM. Out of my way, I need to do 80. Hey. Alright, we gotta try 80 before we catch up. Oh, no! 70 to 80, full throttle pull. God damn it! Too much power! Let's try this again. 70 to 80. Full throttle pull. Alright. Cruise is set at 80, 8th gear. 2100 RPM. And there's a cop. Gonna get behind him there. No, sir, I wasn't doing 80 in a 60. I have also had some requests to film how loud it is in certain gears while towing, and I will do that video as soon as I can. I just need to get a hold of a trailer, whether I rent it from a U-Haul or not. I'm just trying to decide how heavy of an object I want to tow. It'll probably be something like a 16-foot U-Haul trailer, some sort of car trailer with like a Jeep on it or something. So roughly in the 5,000 to 7,000 pound range, and we'll do a little bit of a tow test so you guys can hear how loud it is while towing. Like I said, I'll do that as soon as I can. Just kind of hard now with all the snow and everything. Like I said, I got to source a trailer and something to put on that trailer. But for now, hopefully this video was informative for you. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this. Check me out on the socials. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.